Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a crypto card. Crypto cards allow you to spend your digital assets like Bitcoin or Ethereum in everyday transactions, just like a regular debit card. We'll explore the various options available, from prepaid to credit-style cards, and guide you through the entire process. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of how to acquire and use your very own crypto card, opening up new possibilities for your digital finances. Selecting the right crypto card is crucial for a smooth experience. You'll want to compare various providers based on their fee structures. Some might charge a one-time issuance fee, while others have monthly maintenance costs. It's also important to check which cryptocurrencies are supported, ensuring your preferred assets can be used. Don't forget to look into rewards programs, as many cards offer cashback or crypto bonuses on your purchases, adding extra value to your spending. Once you've chosen a provider, the application process typically begins with Know Your Customer, or KIC, verification. This involves submitting identification documents, similar to opening a bank account. Next, you'll link your existing crypto wallet or exchange account to the card platform. After approval, you'll fund your card by transferring your chosen cryptocurrencies, which are then ready for conversion and spending. The final step is awaiting your physical card, which usually arrives within 7 to 10 business days. Using your crypto card is incredibly straightforward, much like a traditional debit or credit card. When you make a purchase, your chosen cryptocurrency is instantly converted into the local fiat currency, such as US dollars or euros, at the point of sale. This allows you to spend your digital assets at millions of merchants globally, both online and in physical stores. You can easily track all your transactions and manage your card settings through the provider's dedicated mobile application, offering great convenience and control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.